we're showing our DVB-I Easy. So Easy is standing for Editor and Aggregator System for service lists for DVB-I. So what we are doing, coming from the German pilot project and our actual activities, is that we are merging the service lists from different broadcasters to one common service list for Germany. Yeah, everything is very interested in the topic of DVB-I and how to implement DVB-I in their market and how to organize the market introduction, and also which kind of applications are used, and of course how to become to receiver manufacturers and getting devices in the market.
Well, what we're showing is the variety of applications you can build with DVB-I. So we have a proof of concept based on the national public networks in Ireland that shows DVB-I being used as a hybrid broadcasting service, adding value to existing networks. We're also showing a project we built for Eutelsat or Sat TV, where we're now able to deliver the Sat TV service with customized, curated lists for different territories, all based on a standard TV, without having to distribute a set-top box. Well, people want to learn, and I'm really pleased to say we're getting a lot of interest from broadcasters and platform operators who want to know how DVB-I can be used in their network. So showing it here with real services which can be delivered to real viewers, it's great to be able to give them that information and give them that confidence that there's something to get on board with.
In this year, we showcase the DVB-I-enabled devices. We have bring a couple of the devices to DVB World. This year, we'll bring some new type of DVB-I-enabled devices, like XR glasses, like dongle. So this is the wearable, bring wearable devices to DVB-I. In this demo, we showcase the SMT-enabled multi-view streaming, interactive streaming, and we showcase the SMT into DVB-I to support the cross stream synchronization. Actually, we have started this work 2 years ago, and now we have a great teams and have multiple devices enabled.
Well, at DVB World, we are showcasing our two modulators, satellite modulators that are DVB Native IP compliant. Our new MDM5010 GSE HEM Lite encapsulation provides support for the standard, the DVB Native IP standard. We're also showcasing a demo of the proof of concept where we put streaming video services to maritime vessels using satellites and using DVB-NIP standard, together with our partners Airmont, Eutelsat, Inverto, and Media Mobile. I think it's a good mix of technical conversations regarding the DVB-NIP demo that we have here, but also discussions on the feasibility, the commercial go-to-market strategy. So it's good to have feedback from visitors. They're broadcasters, they are people from the streaming world, and it proves that satellite is still interesting, it's still relevant, and we support the IP world, but also the traditional broadcasts.
We basically have two expos this year, so we show the developments that we did in the context of DVB-NIP, our analyzer. That's a tool to help implementers of DVB-NIP to see whether their implementations are actually working and are compliant, and to optimize these implementations. And the second demo that we show is an end-to-end DVB-I chain. So we show the backend that was developed together with Software Digital for SES, and we show a POC implementation of a set-top box using the DVB-I service list that are received off satellite. These demos were quite different in targeting companies. So on the DVB-NIP side, we were actually talking mainly to developers and implementers of the system, companies that we know from the DVB verification and validation effort. And on the DVB-I side, it is more about the different regulators and broadcasters having a look at the way that we're going to deal with service lists in the future.
We are showing two demonstrations. The first one is regarding native IP. So we are showing that we are able to target any screen in the home with native IP. So not only a second screen, but now we are able to showcase also the integration of native IP client directly in the TV, and it's a first world integration with our partner Vestel. We are showcasing also the capacity to deliver push VOD directly to the gateway with our partner Immersive. And the second demonstration is regarding SAT-TV Connect, where we are showcasing also the first integration of SAT-TV DVB-I directly in the TV, which is going to be available on mass market in the weeks to come, also with Vestel.
So we think that the future of television will be more immersive and integrate also new sensations. So we are showing volumetric video and haptics on off-the-shelf consumer devices, such as a tablet, a TV set, and also Razer headset and the Meta Quest. So volumetric video is that you can watch at content from all directions, and haptics integrates also your skin as an additional sensor, in addition, of course, to your eyes and ears. All technology is based on MPEG standards, so MPEG-I haptics and also MPEG volumetric video. In addition, we show also energy there, entertainment. It's how to save energy on a TV set.
As you see, I have one feasibility study with a parallel transmission DVB-T and the 5G content in a single transmission frequency. The benefits with these solutions is I have one DVB frequency, and inside I have 5G content, so use the same spectrum, okay, with not use telco frequency.
We're showing here our solutions for generating signals, DVB signals, DVB-T2 signals to a receiver that's taking the signals in, measuring it, and showing the analysis capabilities of that to a high level. And it's interesting to see DECTEC in many of the demonstrations that are taking place. We seem to be inside many products around here. You just have to look to the rear of the units, effectively. But no, it's been an interesting gathering of people. Many already are familiar with DECTEC, but equally they are also interested in the newer products coming through.